Hey everyone, welcome to Life of a Curve. My name is Richa. I hope you all are staying at home and you all are safe. Firstly, guys, thank you so much for giving your love and appreciation on my last video. It was completely raw and unplanned, but the kind of feedback I have received on it, it's just commendable. Thank you. Before we begin today's video, let me tell you the reason why am I doing such a video in the first place. Honestly, I have received a lot of calls and messages in the last few months from a lot of people, whether it is my friends, my family members, and the people who have been following me on social media pages for years now. Which, by the way, in case you haven't followed me yet, I'll be linking to each of my social media channel in the description box below. Do follow me today. So like I said, everyone asked me the same question. How to start off with a blog? What's the first step? So whenever someone asks me a question like that, I counter them with a series of questions. So in today's video, I have picked up top 5 questions that I feel a person needs to ask himself or herself before getting into blogging. Let's get started. So the first and the foremost important question that you need to ask yourself before getting into blogging is why you want to start off with a blog. Honestly guys, I have come across a lot of people who are not even aware as to why they want to have a blog in the first place. All I am trying to say here is, if you want to do it, just do it for the right reasons. Don't do it to have a number of followers on your page. Don't do it just because you need to impress someone. Don't do it because your friend is doing it. Just take your time, think about it, do your research, and then come up with a reason to start off with the blog. Moving on to the next important question, that is, what's your long-term vision and goal with your blog? Which simply means, where do you see yourself 1 year down the line with your blog? Whether you want to take it professionally, whether you want to do it as a part-time job, or you want to just take it up as a hobby. It's very important to define your goal. Trust me. Don't just do it for the sake of it. Do it with a mindset to have a vision in your head. Where do you want to see yourself with that particular blog? So moving on to the third and probably the most important question that you need to ask yourself. Are you patient enough? Honestly guys, in the millennial era of express delivery, patience is major missing. Everyone is just looking for instant growth. यार मेरे Instagram के पेज पे कितने कम फॉलोअर्स हैं, चलो TikTok पे अकाउंट बनाते हैं. नहीं यार, TikTok पे क्या कर रहा है, Twitter पे जा, वहां पर ट्रेंडिंग कंटेंट मिलेगा. नहीं यार, Twitter छोड़, Facebook पे जा, वहां होती है असली ऑडियंस. Trust me guys, it's not gonna work like that. The successful bloggers that you see on the internet haven't received growth overnight. Everyone has been through a different journey and it takes time for them to reach up to that level. So you need to have that much level of patience once you get into this field. Moving on to the next important question that you need to ask yourself today is, are you ready to be judged? Honestly guys, social media is all about judging other people's lives. Whatever you portray, whatever you share on those platforms, people are gonna judge you in some way or the other. So are you ready for it? Because if you're not, then blogging is just not for you. You need to overcome that fear of inhibition and getting judged before you get into blogging. सोशल मीडिया पे हर तरह के लोग मिलेंगे. कुछ लोग आपको इतना प्यार देंगे कि आपको खुद पर विश्वास नहीं होगा. यार ये कंटेंट मेरा है, ये मैंने लिखा था, ये मैंने बनाया था. While many of them will be ready to troll you. Are you ready for it? If not, then please take your time before starting off with the blog. So moving on to our last but not the least. It's not more of a question, rather a point of discussion that I would like to have with you all. And that is, a blog is a big responsibility. Are you ready to take it all? Honestly guys, not many people take blog as a big responsibility. They just do it for the heck of it. However, if I talk about myself, my blog is my space. It's like my baby. I like to take care of it, nurture it, and help it grow better. If you think you are ready to take up this big responsibility, then only move ahead and take the first step. Like I said in the beginning of the video, do it for the right reasons. And don't do it to impress anybody out there. Take your time, do your research, and discover the actual reason as to why you want to have a blog in the first place. So guys, with this we come to an end of today's video. I hope it helps you in making a better and wise decision before starting off with your own blog. If you liked today's video, then do hit the like button, share, and subscribe to Life of a Curve. Also, hit the bell icon for notifications. In case you have any questions or queries, then do drop in the comment section. I'll ensure to answer each one of them. Till then, take care, bye bye, stay safe.